Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good af-
afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, how many questions we did on compound interest last time? Or did I give any homework?
Yes, ma'am, you gave us some homework. Ma'am, I was not
Okay.
able to do one question. I'll just tell you
Okay.
that. Just a minute.
Question number?
Just a minute, ma'am, I'll tell you.
Okay. How many questions I did in the class? Did I do any?
Ma'am, we did some.
Okay, I'll share screen and see how many questions we did. Now, do you remember how many we did? I think I did one or two questions now. How many questions? Nobody remembers how many
You
we did.
one or two.
No, ma'am, you did 5 questions.
And 5 I did, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Check your notebook.
And then, ma'am, you gave us some questions homework. Ma'am, I wasn't able to do this one, sixth and seventh question. The eighth
Okay,
one I
yes.
did.
Okay, 6 will do. Yes, I know these are a little tricky. We'll do these questions. Okay. But sixth is difference between any other question that you were not able to do, only
Ma'am,
6 and
question
7, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So difference between simple interest and compound interest at a certain sum of money at 8% per annum for 1.5 years. When the interest is compounded half yearly is 228. Find the sum. Okay. So difference between simple interest and compound interest. Let me share. Okay, I'll copy this question first of all and then share this. This was 1.5 year, I think, per annum for one and 1/2. So 1.5 years. This is the question. Find the sum. So what you have to do first, we'll find out simple interest and compound interest. Okay. So P, we'll take it as P. Okay. We'll take it as P. P is the principal. Let the principal be P. Then 8% per annum, R is equal to 8%. And for 1.5 year, T is equal to 1/2 years. Okay. When the interest is compounded half yearly is 228. Okay. So interest is compounded half yearly. So rate becomes what? Half yearly rate is? Rate for
4%.
half yearly, correct, is 4%. So let us find out simple interest. Simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. Just calculate PRT. P into 4 into, this is half yearly. So how, what is it? 3/2, na? How much is it? 3 by 200. Now calculate, just calculate. My pen is not working properly. Calculate it compound interest. Compound interest is P into 1 plus, again R is 4, so 4 by 100 raised to, this is half yearly. Okay, half yearly is actually 3 half years. 3 half years. Okay, so this you have to calculate. Just a moment, we already did. Just a moment, PRT में यहाँ गड़बड़ किया है. This is also 3 half years, na? So we didn't do it over here because 4 we already did over here. Okay, so just 100. So this is 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10 and 0, 2 1s are 2, 3 by 25p. And compound interest is equal to how much? P into 1 plus R is how much? 4 by 100 raised to 3. This is clear. 3 half years is there. Na? This is what? 3 into 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2. So 3 half years, because it is compound rate, we are taking half yearly. Na? So ye bhi, T will also be in terms of half years. So 1 plus 4 by 100, this thing, how much we are getting? 425s are, which is equal to P into 25 plus 1, 26. 26 by 25 ka whole cube. And this is 3 by 25p. Okay. Now question is, difference is 228. Okay. When the interest is compounded, half yearly is itna. So difference we have to find out. Compound interest or ye kaun sa bada rahega? This one will be bigger. CI will be bigger. So difference is P 26 by 25 whole cube minus 3 by 25 P is equal to 228. This is according to the question. We'll take out P common. P by 25 we'll take out common. तो यहाँ पे हो गया 26 cube upon 625 minus 3 is equal to 228. Okay. So let us find out 26 ka cube is how much? Can you find out? Please find out 26 ka cube.
Ma'am, 1756.
1756 you are getting.
No, ma'am. 17576.
17576 divided by 625. So यहाँ पे 625 into 3 is how much? One 1875. Two 28 into 25. ठीक है? This is P into. Now ये subtract करके यहाँ पे reciprocal करेंगे. How much is that? 17576 minus 1875. 1770. 15 में से 8. 7. 6 में से 1. 5. 15701 आ रहा है upon 125. Next page पे 15701 upon 625. P is equal to 228 into 25. So P is equal to 228 into 25 into 625 divided by 15701. So this is the amount. Let us see. 3 से जा रहा है? नहीं जाएगा. 7 से जा रहा है? 7 से भी नहीं जाएगा. We'll have to find out like this only. Calculation. What is the answer given at the back?
It is rupees 46,875.
Okay, just a moment. We did one mistake. Difference between compound interest and this thing is asked. Just a minute. So we have not done that. -1 नहीं लगाया ना. Compound interest में -1 होता है. Formula wrong किया. This is amount का formula. Every time I write amount का formula, they have asked difference between compound interest and simple interest. So यहाँ पे हो जाएगा. This will be minus. Compound interest का formula क्या है? Minus this thing है ना? P है ना? My pen is not writing. Please write it over here. P outside the bracket and -1. Okay. तो ये इधर हो जाएगा P into 1. What is it? 26 by 25. Yes. Correct. 26 by 25 -1, which is actually 1 by 25, right? If you write -1, now what I'll do now, white is word pe likh ke show. Yes. So what is it? 26 minus 25. So it is actually 1 by whole cube bhi hai Khalid. This is cube. Okay. Cube hai. So next step mein we have difference. So this is actually what? This is actually 1/25. A cube into P, right? 26 minus 25. So when we find out according to the question will be, this is 1 by 25 ka cube. So which will be smaller. So let us write down 3 by 25 P outside minus 1 by 25 ka cube, okay, is equal to 228. Now we'll solve it inside. Andar pe to ye ho gaya 3 by 25 minus, what will be the LCM? LCM will be 25 cube, or 25 ka LCM will be 25 cube only, right? So this will be 3 into 625, because 25 to hai hi, so 25 square se multiply hoga, and here it will be 1 is equal to 228, which gives 625 into 3 is 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 6 3s are 18. 1875 minus 1 divided by 25 cube whole into P is equal to 228. So P is equal to 228 into 25 into 25 into 25, which is 625 into 25. Abhi kiya tha humne, so you can copy from there. And this is 1874. Okay. This is coming out to be 22. Say we'll do 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. So किससे जाएगा ये? Just calculate numerator and denominator. उसको भी wrong calculation है क्या? Anyone getting? Okay, from here, if you have calculator, just calculate and see if you're getting the correct answer. Otherwise, calculation mistake is there. Okay, this way only you have to do. Is it clear, Muazzam, Mudabbir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so simple interest you have to find out, compound interest you have to find out, and then according to the question, did I subtract? Yes, I subtracted na yahan pe. 26 by 25 minus 1, so 26 minus 25 is 1. 1 upon 25 ka cube ho gaya. So 1 upon 25 ka cube, and here it is 3 by 25, which is simple interest. So 3 by 25 p we got. 3 by p outside, so 3 by 25 minus 1 by 25 का cube. If we find the LCM, 25 or 25 cube का LCM निकालने से, you will have 25 cube only as LCM. So what do we have? 25 cube. Now यहाँ पे 3 के नीचे already 25 is there, so you'll multiply by 25 square, which is 625. 625 into 3 minus 1. So LCM हो गया 25 cube, which is 5 3 15, carry 1, 3 2 6 plus 1 7, 6 3 18, 1875 minus 1. So we get 1875 minus 1 is 1874, goes in the denominator, and 25 cube goes in the numerator. Calculate this, you will get the answer. I think this will cancel something. ये 937 से कुछ तो भी cancel होगा. 5 से क्या आ जाता है? 937 into 5 is how much? Because denominator में कुछ भी नहीं है, so that means something will cancel out. Let us see. Okay, I'll do it in notebook. Pen not working, so. What is 937 into 5? 4685. And what is 25 ka cube? Anyone has calculated 25 ka cube?
15625.
15625. Okay. Into 114, and then divided by 4, and then divided by 937. Then how much you are getting? Okay, do it at home. This way only you have to do. This is the calculation. Let us do the next question. Don't waste time on this. Next, okay, next question is little different. Question number 6 is the question number 6 we did just now, no? Question number 7 is a sum of money. Now, similar question is there in this thing also. In your example. So I'll just show the solved example question. Same way. See, when we studied this formula, please mute everyone. When we studied this formula, remember we did one solved example when I was explaining you this example, this one. P is borrowed 8% per annum. नहीं, ये वाला नहीं. This one. this question, calculate the amount of interest on this much for 1.5 years at rate 10% per annum. So per annum hai and it is compounded annually. So this will remain as it is, but it is 1.5 year. Okay. So I need to calculate because it is per annum. So I need to calculate two separately, for 1 year and then 6 months ke liye. So 6 months ke liye I will have to take rate as half. Okay, because half yearly के लिए half rate लेना पड़ेगा. तो what we did that time we did कि amount पहले 1 year के लिए निकाला and that amount act as a principal for next 6 months. Okay, तो but directly also you can do P into 1 plus R by 100 annually 1 year का and half year का rate half कर दिया into 1 plus 5 by 100 raised to 1 half and 1 year. So same thing we will use it over here also. See, similar question was here. Difference between simple interest, compound interest. ये वाला अभी किया ना, ये वाला same type of question we did just now. 1 plus R by 100, 3 semi years. So PRT में ये वाला किया हमने rupees 440 and again half yearly में raised to Q. Okay. Okay. तो ये वाला क्वेश्चन था सिमिलर. सम ऑफ मनी इज इन्वेस्टेड at compound interest for 1.5 year at 4%, compounded annually. If the interest were compounded semi-annually, it would have fetched 20.40 more than the previous one. Same question which is asked in the exercise. Now it is 1.5 year compounded annually. So again, what we'll do, यहाँ पे भी two parts में we'll have to do, one for 1 year and one for half year and then multiply. So 1 year के लिए compounded annually will go as it is. Let us take P as in principal. R is 4% annually. तो half year का हो जाएगा 2%. Okay. So how will we find out? X into 1 plus 4 by 100 1 year का और half year का 1 plus 2 by 100 rate half हो गया. So this is the amount for compounded annually. Now they have asked कि if it is done, it would have fetched. Okay, if the interest were compounded semi-annually, means half yearly kiya, so what would happen? So second case mein, let us find out half yearly, which is X into 1 plus 2 by 100. How many half years? 3 half years, right? It is 3 by 2. So it is 3 half years. So time will be Q. Okay. Yeah. Who said this? Somebody wrote something in chat. Okay, yes, Khadija. Okay, but calculation is done by bank, so don't worry. Okay, so this is in first case, this is done. Second case done, and then difference they have told it is equal to this much, which is given. So X की value निकल जाएगी, ठीक है? So same way in this question, what we'll do, just write down, because I'm not able to write on whiteboard. Maybe I'll try it on Word. This is 7th question, sum of 6, na? 7. A sum of money is invested at compound interest 9 months. So first of all, write down time. T is equal to 9 months, which is equal to which will be equal to how much? 20% per annum when the interest is compounded half yearly. Okay. So half yearly may 6 months and 3 months you have to take, right? Because 9 months is actually what? 3 by 4. 3 into 1 by 4 you cannot do, right? So you have to do separately for 6 months and 3 months. Okay, let me see if I have written it. Okay, I'm going to show over here. Word file is there. Wait. Understand it. Okay. So for half yearly amount, P is equal to 1 year plus half year. Actual total principal is for 1.5 year. Okay. But time given is 9 months. Time given is 9 months. So divide this. Divide 6 months and 3 months. 9 months ko will divide it half yearly and 3 months. Half ka bhi half. Okay. So rate will be what? Rate is given in the question. Rate is given. How much is the rate? Rate is given 20% per annum. Okay. So rate is 20% per annum. So 6 months ke liye rate will be 10 and 3 months ke liye rate will be 5. Agree or not? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we have to divide it into 6 month and 3 month. So let us find out amount is 1 plus 10 by 100, which is for 6 month, 1 ho gaya, and 1 plus 5 by 100, which is 3 month ke liye. Is it clear? When you divide rates, so this is your amount. This is A is equal to 1 plus 10 by 100 6 months ke liye ho gaya, and 1 plus 5 by 100 3 months ke liye ho gaya. If you calculate it, 10 by 100 is actually what? 11 by 20, 11 by 10. 11 by 10, and this is actually 5 2s are 10, 21 by 20. 11 by 20 को 22 by 11 by 10 को 22 by 20 लिखा है, so that denominator is same. Okay, now for second case, this is for first case. ठीक है, I'll write it over here. Case 1. Now for second case. Case 2 के लिए question is, let me see the question. Case 2 के लिए, if the interest were compounded quarterly, okay, for quarterly rate is how much? Rate will be 5%. Rate will be 5% because 20% per annum hai, and time will be half yearly compounded quarterly hai, so time will be 3 quarters, right? 3 into 1 by 4, 3 by 3, 9 month is how much? 9 month is 3 by 4 year. 3 by 4 is actually 3 into 1 by 4. So I'm writing over here 9 months equal to 3. Okay, so 3 by 4 year is actually 3 quarters. So 3 time will be 3. So let us write down the amount A is equal to P into 1 plus 5 by 100 raised to 3. I'm just removing this. Just a minute, I'll correct it. Okay. Okay, because 3 into 1 by 4. So it is 3 and 5 by 100. So how much we are getting? P is equal to 21 by 20, 21 by 20, 21 by 20. Simplify. Difference according to the question is 210. So let us write down the difference of case 1 and case 2. Okay. Difference of case 1 and case 2 is 210. So writing it according to the equation, P into 21 by 20 ka cube minus 22 by 20 into 21 by 20 is equal to 210. Okay, if you solve it, you can see 21 by 20 common hai, so you can take out common also and divide it over here because 21 yahan pe bhi aa raha hai, so cancel ho jayega. Or you can just multiply 3 times and you can write the calculation I have already done over here. You can do the calculation. Simple form में यहाँ पे तो बना बनाया calculation मिल गया है, but simplified form में if you want to do, you can do it like this also. You can take out P into 21 by 20 common, और एक 20 निकल जाएगा, right? और एक into 1 by 20 common. So what do we have inside? एक 21 बाहर निकला है, 21 into 21 divided by 20 because 220s common आ गया, minus 22, right? 220s taken out, 121 taken out. So this I'm doing LHS only. ठीक है, कैलकुलेशन दिखाया नहीं है, so I'm showing you the calculation over here. 210 हो गया. So this is inside the bracket. This is how much? 21 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 441 minus 22 into 20 is 440. Okay, divided by 20 is equal to 210. And यहाँ पे P into 21 by 2 2s are 4, 400. Okay. So P, now here 441 minus 40 is 1. So here you have P is equal to 210 into 20 into 400 divided by 21. Okay. Now 21 tens are, how much we are getting? 4 twos are 8, 8,000. Is it clear? So don't do this calculation. यहाँ पे मैंने simplify करके कर दिया है, because ये multiply 21 का cube करने में time लगेगा. So better take 21 by, see, that's why we didn't take 11 by 10 over here. यहाँ पे हमने 11 by 10 नहीं लिया.
Ma'am, it's 8,000 or 8,000?
8,000 है, 4 twos are 8, no, 80,000 है. 80,000 rupees. Okay. Clear or not? So that's why we took here, instead of taking it as 11 by 20, we took it as 22 by 20. Okay. So that 20 निकल के cancel हो जाएगा. Even if you take 11 by 10 तो भी हो जाएगा. Understood the calculation part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So next question is, let us see the next question. Next question is 7 done, 8. A sum of this much, 8 also you have done, 8 done, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 9th will do, find the rate at which 4,000 will give 630.50 as compound interest in 9 months, interest being compounded quarterly. Let me see if my pen works, I will do it. Find the rate. So rate is asked, give this much as compound interest in 9 months, interest being compounded quarterly. Okay. This is 9th question, I think. Okay. So what is 9 months again? Rate we have to find out. Rate we have to find out. 4,000 will give this much. So principal is given. Okay. Principal is 4,000. Compound interest is rupees 630.5. Okay. So what will be after this thing, amount will be equal to P plus CI, which is equal to 4,000 plus 630.5, which is equal to 4630.5 rupees. Okay, now we have got amount. So we know according to our formula, amount is equal to 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Okay, now 9 month compounded quarterly. So time is equal to 9 months, which is 9 by 12 year, which is 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, which is equal to 3 into 1 by 4 year, which is how much quarterly hai? So 3 quarters. Okay. So rate is equal to, amount is equal to, and rate whatever it is there annually रहेगा, तो उसको by 4 करेंगे, right? So let us write down our rate will be equal to R by 4, right? Okay. So we'll put the value, because rate per annum पे रहता है, rate per annum पे है, तो we have to write divided by 4, because we are finding out quarterly. Okay. So I'm just writing it over यहाँ पे R by 100 लिख दो. So amount according to our question is 4630.5, which is equal to 1 plus R by 400. Okay. Capital R, small r लिख रही हूँ अभी, because capital R formula में लिखा. So so that we'll get directly per annum ka rate. 1 plus r by 400 raised to 3 we have to do into p. P is how much? 4000. यहाँ पे p नहीं लिखा. Okay, formula में p into 1 plus r by 100 into n होता है, because n we have calculated in quarters, so rate also we have to do by 4. Okay, so r by 4 into 100 is r by 400. Now let us find out 4630.5 upon 4000 we'll have to do, but let us do this because simplification करने में cube root निकालना होगा, which we don't know, so we have to simplify in such a way that you should be able to calculate. So let us find out 400 plus r का cube upon 400 into 400 into 400. ठीक है, instead of writing अंदर नीचे का cube I just wrote this thing. Okay, 2 0 से 2 0 cancel, 4 10s are 40, 8 0 से 8 0 cancel, and here you have 4630.5. Okay, now whatever is in the denominator will go and get multiplied over there. So this is 4 4s are 16,000. So 4630.5 into 16,000 is equal to 400 plus r ka cube. Okay, now 16,000 is actually what? Let us do 4630.5. We already know 1000 jo hai, I can write it as 2 into 8,000 is equal to 400 plus r का cube. Why I did 8,000 ना, because पता है कि ये 3 0 है, मतलब 10, इसका cube root 10 हो जाएगा. Okay, तो because next I have to find cube root only ना. This whole part का cube root is this thing, cube है ना, तो I need to find out r की value. You remember r square is equal to something है, तो r is equal to square root of this. So यहाँ पे cube है, तो I need to find out cube root. Okay, so 4630.5 into 2 into 8,000. I just broke 6,000 into 8,000 because 8 is cube root of 2 and 1000 is cube root of 10. So 1 by 3 is equal to 400 plus r. Now next step, यहाँ पे कर रही हूँ. Now cube root, just see 8,000, पहले ही 8,000 का cube root है how much? 20. 8 is cube root of 2, 2 into 2 into 2, so 2 बाहर निकल गया, and 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000, so 20 हो गया 2 into 10, और अंदर में आ गया ये दोनों 4630, you can say cube root of, let us multiply 4630.5 into 2, कितना आ रहा है? 5 2s are 10, 0, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, 9261. Okay, so 9261 का cube root and outside में 20 already out of the root is equal to 400 plus r. Okay, let us find out cube root of 9261. यहाँ पे rough कर, I'm doing rough over here. 6 7 8 8 16 17 18, 3 से जाएगा, 3 3s are 9, 0, 3 8s are 24 and 3 7s are 3 1s are 0, 3 0s are 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. This is 7 ka cube. Okay, so 7 ka cube and 3 ka cube. So actually it is 7 cube into 3 cube inside the root, cube root into 20 is equal to 400 plus r. So 7 into 3 will come out. So outside ho gaya 21 into 20 is equal to 400 plus r. 21 into 20 is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 42. 420 minus 400 is equal to r. So r is equal to 20% per annum is the answer. Is it clear? तो ये मेथड तो ओके है, बट कैलकुलेशन ही इसमें प्रॉब्लम होता है. सो कैलकुलेशन यू विल डू लाइक दिस. I just did because नहीं तो a plus b whole cube का भी formula लगेगा नहीं because r is unknown, so you cannot calculate. So what we did, simplify 400 cube को नीचे से cancel कराया, and whatever is in the denominator will go over here because it is everything is in multiplication, so go over here. And here you see by this, see you could have done ये पूरा को multiply करके and then ऐसा prime factorization करके you could have done, but time लगेगा because दिख रहा है यहाँ पे 3 zeros है तो 1 0 हो जाएगा in cube root, and 16 को make it 8 so that 20 will come out of the cube root, and whatever is left then you find out prime factorization. और cube root है, so what will happen, 3 का 1 will come outside, right? जैसे square root में 2 का 1 comes out of the square root, same way यहाँ पे cube root है तो 3 का 1 हो जाएगा because 3 by 3 हो गया. So this way we'll calculate. Okay, next is, any doubt in this question? How much time is there? Okay, last question. I'll just tell you how to do. Okay, I'll do it. This is last question. Sum of money becomes 17640 in 2 years. Okay, and so P is not known. In 2 years it becomes this, and in 3 years it becomes this. Okay, so the last year, in the last year, if you calculate, this will be the principal for last year, and this will be the amount. Okay, so if I subtract this, I'll get compound interest. So compound interest for the last year. Okay, so for the because 3 year में इतना amount आया and 2 years के end में इतना amount. So the compound interest in the last year will be how much? Difference of these two. What is the difference? 18522 minus 17640 comes out to be how much? How much is it? Anyone calculated? Please calculate how much time it takes. 2 का 2 आ गया.
882.
Yes, rupees 882. So this is compound interest. Now, if I have compound interest, sorry, I'm so sorry. This is amount, na? No, this is compound interest only. Correct. The difference between this is amount. So we have already got 3 years पे amount मिला ना ये वाला, हाँ. So this is compound interest. So compound interest is given. So what is the formula for compound interest? Or you can find out, this is 1 plus R. R is given. No, R we have to calculate. R by 100. Okay. Raised to N into P and minus P. Or you can write P. This is the formula which we write now. Okay. So for 1 year, last ka 1 year, time is equal to 1. This will be your principal. This will be your principal. Which will be your principal? Tell me. क्या होगा principal? This will be your principal ना last year के लिए. Amount ये हो गया और principal ये हो गया. Okay, so 17640. This is compound interest 882. 17640 into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to 1, because time is 1 year. Last का 2 से 3 साल के बीच का time we are doing. Okay, so rate we'll find out. If you don't understand any step, please let me know. So 882 upon 17640 और इधर पे आ गया 1 plus R by 100 is equal to, we'll calculate it over here, 100 plus R अपॉन 100, यहाँ पे p तो यहाँ चला गया, ओके, अपॉन 100 इज इक्वल टू, और लेट अस डू ये 1 ही रहने देते हैं, -1 यहाँ पे कर देंगे, ठीक है। आई एम नॉट सिंप्लीफाइंग राइट नाउ बिकॉज अभी हम 176, कुछ उल्टा लिखा है क्या हमने? जस्ट अ मिनट, व्हाई वी आर गेटिंग नेगेटिव में समथिंग रॉन्ग वी हैव रिटन। प्रिंसिपल इज दिस 1 plus r by 100. हाँ, we didn't write -1 once again, which I every time forget to write. Please, you also remind me ना, every time I forget simple interest, compound interest में और amount के formula में you have -1 ना, यहाँ पे ऊपर में लिखा -1, यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा, -p लिखा ना यहाँ पे, so here you will have a -1 also. That's why we're getting negative. Okay, so यहाँ पे -1. Okay, this is the formula na compound interest ka, amount minus p. It is equal to 882 17640 bracket में 1 plus r की value we have to calculate और minus raised to 1 only है और -1, ठीक है। तो यू कैन सी पावर 1 है तो ये +1 और ये -1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, नो नीड ऑफ ब्रैकेट बिकॉज पावर इज 1, तो अभी कुछ कैलकुलेट करना ही नहीं है, सो वील जस्ट हैव, ओके। तो ये हो गया 882 डिवाइडेड बाई 17640 is equal to r by 100, which gives 100 goes over here, r is equal to 882. एक मिनट, check the question, 17640, 10 से 10 cancel, 2 से will cancel out, 2 9s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, और ये हो गया 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, you can see 441 2s are हो जाएगा, okay, and 2 5s are, so rate we got 5%, okay। They have asked to find out sum and the rate of interest, so rate of interest we got over here, rate of interest मिल गया, अभी we'll find out the sum, okay। Sum के लिए what we'll do now, what do we have, we don't know p, initial sum, rate we have calculated, so rate तो same रहेगा, right, and we know the amount also, we know the amount at the end of 2 years. What is amount at the end of 2 years? 2 years is 17640, ठीक है, 17640, 17640, okay। Now we can find out again, we can find out a is equal to 1 plus p into 1 plus r by 100 raised to time, which is equal to, amount is 17640 is equal to 1 p into 1 plus r we have calculated by 100 and time is 2. So 17640 is equal to p into 5 2s are 10. It is 21 by 20 का square. So p is equal to 17640 into 20 into 20 divided by 21 into 21. Let us see 7 से हो रहा है कि नहीं, 3 से हो रहा है, हाँ 3 से होगा, थ्री से, जीरो, 7 से जाएगा, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 15 16 17 18 19 5, 7 8s are 0, 7 4s are 28 0. So how much is there? 40 into 20 into 20. That's all. 4 2s are 8, 2s are 16. 16,000 rupees is the answer. Rate is 5%. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Don't do the same mistake which I do always when I write amount or compound interest. I forget to write -1. Please remember that compound interest में -1 आता है और amount में 1 only P into 1 plus R by 100. Okay. Raised to N. So this is this chapter. And we have time is over. So last exercise we'll do tomorrow so that we'll cover it this week. This chapter is over. Okay. Chalo, so that's all in this class today. Tomorrow, see you in next class. Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.